If you've been browsing Amazon lately, you might have noticed a product that's getting a surprising amount of buzz, literally. It's a Venom Pain Relief Cream that started gaining attention in 2025. And with a name like that, it's natural to wonder, is it actually legit or just another overhyped internet gimmick? I took a close look at the listing, the reviews, and what buyers are actually saying so you don't have to. And honestly, the first thing that stood out to me is that people really seem to like it. Almost every review so far leans positive, with users mentioning relief, comfort, and a nicer experience than they expected. For a newer product, that's definitely a good sign. But, and this is important, you have to read between the lines. The number of reviews right now isn't huge. Positive feedback is great, but when a product is this new, the sample size is small. That means the rating can swing wildly depending on just a handful of early buyers. So if you're someone who likes to see long-term patterns before spending your money, it might be worth waiting until more people chime in. Something else to note, while the product sounds intriguing, it isn't totally one of a kind. There are already several bee venom creams on Amazon with strong ratings and large customer bases. So the idea itself isn't new or revolutionary. This brand is simply the newest one joining the lineup. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but it does mean this product isn't breaking new ground. Still, if you're curious about bee venom as a topical option and you generally trust Amazon's review system, this cream might be worth trying. Just keep realistic expectations. The early reviews are promising but not yet conclusive, and it's always smarter to approach newer products with a bit of patience and a healthy dose of skepticism. So, is the bee venom pain relief cream a scam or legit? At this point, it doesn't look like a scam, real customers, real reviews, and feedback that's consistent. But whether it's the miracle product you're hoping for, that's something only more time and more user experiences will reveal. If you want updates as more reviews roll in, or if you want me to compare this cream to the top competitors already dominating the market, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.